Unveiling the Art of Pineapple Harvesting, a fascinating video journey. Welcome to the world of pineapple fields, where a vibrant tropical delight awaits in every corner. Here, we paint a picture of paradise. Journey with us through the lush greenery, where rows upon rows of pineapple plants stand tall. Their golden fruits shimmer in the sunlight, a sight to behold. Listen to the rustle of the leaves as we walk by, feeling the palpable anticipation of the harvest. The air smells sweet, hinting at the delectable treasures hidden within. Watch as our expert farmers expertly twist off each ripe pineapple. Their hands, weathered from seasons of hard work, performing the harvest with ease. Marvel at the heap of freshly picked pineapples, glistening in the sun. Their vibrant colors and delightful aroma fill the air, a testament to their freshness. Imagine the taste of these pineapples, juicy and sweet. Each bite promises a burst of tropical flavor that can transport you to a sunny beach. Thank you for joining this journey through our pineapple fields. We hope you enjoyed the harvest as much as we enjoy bringing it to you.